Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine a cosmic tourist, a visitor from another star system. Just passing through our neighborhood for a quick look around, never to return. Well, that's exactly what's happening right now. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has just captured incredible new images of Comet 3I Atlas, a truly rare interstellar object that came from far beyond our own solar system. These images, taken on November 30th, 2025, from a mind-boggling 178 million miles away, are absolutely vital. Why? Because 3I Atlas gives scientists a unique one-time chance to analyze pristine, untouched material from a distant stellar nursery. Today, we're diving deep into these latest Hubble observations as NASA missions race against the clock to gather every last bit of data before this visitor disappears back into the cosmic dark. We'll explore how Hubble tracked the comet, what its strange path means, and why studying it is a huge key to understanding how other star systems are born. So, let's get into the details. On November 30th, Hubble aimed its powerful Wide-Field Camera 3 at the comet. At that moment, 3I Atlas was about 178 million miles from us, which is almost twice the distance from the Earth to the Sun. Now, when you look at these images, you might notice something odd. The stars in the background look like streaks of light.
That's not a mistake.
The comet is moving so fast across the sky that Hubble had to lock onto it and track its movement precisely. As Hubble followed the comet, the background stars appeared to smear, creating those beautiful long streaks. This technique is crucial for getting a sharp, clear image of the comet itself, which is the main target. It is like taking a photo of a moving car by panning your camera with it. The car stays sharp, but the background blurs. For what exactly is this comet, and where did it come from? 3I Atlas is only the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system. The first was Oumuamua in 2017, and the second was to I Borisov in 2019. Unlike comets from our own Oort cloud, which orbit our Sun, 3I Atlas is on a hyperbolic trajectory. Think of it like this. Our solar system's comets are on a closed loop, like a racetrack. They go out, and they come back. But 3I Atlas is on a one-way street. Vid flew in from interstellar space, is swinging around our Sun, and will be flung back out, never to return. This path is our smoking gun evidence that it's not from around here. Its speed and angle are just too extreme to be bound by our Sun's gravity. It's a true alien visitor, carrying secrets from its home star, Su. And that's why NASA is pulling out all the stops in a race against time. This isn't just a one-off observation. Hubble actually first looked at 3I Atlas back in July, and since then, a whole host of NASA missions have been studying it. This full-scale campaign is part of NASA's broader mission to find, track, and better understand all objects in our solar system. But especially rare visitors like this one. Each piece of data helps build a more complete picture of the comet's composition and origin. And just to be clear for everyone watching, this comet poses absolutely no threat to Earth. It's passing by at a very safe distance. So we can all just enjoy the incredible science without any worry. Now, we're entering the final stretch. Observations are expected to continue for several more months. Right now, 3I Atlas is using our Sun's immense gravity, like a slingshot. Gravity assist is accelerating it, giving it the final push it needs to escape our solar system and head back into the vast emptiness of interstellar space. This final window of opportunity is incredibly important. The data collected as it leaves holds the last remaining clues about the building blocks of planets and the formation of distant star systems. It's like reading the final chapter of a book we'll never get to see again. What we learn from 3I Atlas will help us understand the cosmic neighborhood far beyond our own. The universe is constantly sending us these little postcards from afar, and it's thanks to incredible technology like Hubble that we can read them. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic chase. If you love space news and want to stay updated on discoveries like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.